In this video, I'll show you how to remove advertising on BlueStacks, the app player. So just to give you an example, I'm going to run this application called VeryLook. To show you more about VeryLook, please see the link below. And you'll see advertising on the left-hand side over here, and that goes with anything that you run inside of BlueStacks. So the way to get rid of this, we go out of the application and go back to the home page of BlueStacks. Go to settings here on the right hand side, and then under settings go to preference. Under preferences, allow BlueStacks to show ads during gameplay. Turn that off and then click disable. Once you've said that, click on save settings and you're done, and you'll have no more advertising. So just to show you now how it will work without any advertising, if I now run VeryLook, you'll see there's no longer advertising coming up on the left hand side. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and also to check the link out if you're looking for an easy way to make money watching videos. Then you could use VeryLook, but please follow my link below.